Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm gonna show you how to make a Fiverr gig thumbnail on Canva. So as you can see, we are currently on the Fiverr homepage. So just click on here on new tab, then search for Canva, then let's search for thumbnail. So here, YouTube thumbnail will just pop up right there. After that, just scroll down and pick anything you want, any designs you want. So basically, a thumbnail helps you boost your orders or posts in Fiverr. So it's very important to have one. So let's find a good one. Well, there are many options here. Just pick anything you want. So I think this is good. So just click on customize the template and it'll bring you to a new page. Right here, you can customize the elements on the design. So let's say right here, video editing. So right there, you could type like high quality video editing, just like that. Or you could type the price. Maybe the price is better, like $15. Then here, you could go with high quality video editing. Just put any text or elements that you would want to make your thumbnail more pleasing to the eyes, and it'll make your gig more recognizable, something like that. And also you can edit the text. It's like here, just click on the text. You can basically add some designs like shadows and stuff. Like here, effects, you could add some shadows, some outlines, something like that. Offset, video editing, directions. You'd go with that. And for more visibility, you could change like you could have that to right background or anything you want. So let's try this since you can see it more. Dollars, just like that. So here you can change the picture. You could download the picture and just save it right there. So since I have a picture already, you just need to drag it right there. Oh, so there's an error. So after you have uploaded the file, you'll see it here. You just need to cut it. Drag it to here on the screen. And drag it to the circle right here on the element, and there you go. After that, you just need to click on share, download, and click on download again. And wait for it to download, of course. Then boom. You are now done and you have a high quality thumbnail. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.